अब अगली बैंटम वेट फाइट के पहले फाइटर ब्लू कॉर्नर से साहिल राणा आ रहे हैं केज की तरफ। साहिल राणा म्यूटेंट एमएमए को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। इनका 6-0 का प्रो रिकॉर्ड है, इसका मतलब काफी एक्सपीरियंस्ड और टैलेंटेड फाइटर हैं ये।
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Himachal Pradesh, give it up for Sahil Rana. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, representing Karnataka, the Kurgi boy, Clinton De Cruz.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, and back to your corners.
They didn't touch gloves, so I'm expecting fireworks from this one. We better be at the edge of our seat for this one.
आग लगने वाली है केज में।
In the first 20 seconds too much.
और एक और राइट हैंड लैंड किया।
Some hard shots from Clinton, and it's back to Clinton's bread and butter. He's got an arm triangle here. He's got an arm triangle here. He might get it. He might get it. If he gets it, the arms are fresh. Oh, well done, Clinton. Let it go. Clinton, let it go.
Some good distance now between the two of them. They're sizing each other up.
Oh, now Sahil has started landing some punches.
I think Clinton should not get comfortable in this. Never count out Sahil because he's the hungry guy. He's coming.
And another.
Yep.
Keep doing that. He'll enter that time. He'll enter that time. He'll enter that.
To stay away, Sahil slowly try to make his way into Clinton, into his hitting zone.
What we also don't realize is Sahil is getting his bearings back and Clinton is kind of breathing a little harder from his mouth. And there you go, one more connected. One more. So Sahil's making a comeback, guys.
Absolutely. Now Sahil is landing punches. And another one. Oh, hard shot there. Hard shot.
Fight. If you have the crowd with you, you have the sound of the people next to you. एक अलग जोश आया था आपके अंदर, है ना मनन?
बहुत ही मजेदार बॉक्सिंग मैच बन चुका है अब ये।
I think Clinton's got a great game plan. He's keeping his guards high. Oh, a good quick landed there. And I'll again say, that Sahil is hanging in there. Don't count him out here.
बट कोच एलन, साहिल ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया उस टेकडाउन को डिफेंड करने का।
शायद मैं गलत हूं, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे he's more in
Oh,
control.
hard punches again, Salil. Very hard punches.
I think Clinton's proving a point here. Everybody thinks he's going to take the guy down. I think both guys are gassing out a little bit. But
Oh,
big
what
one by
a
Sahil.
punch for Sahil.
He should capitalize on this right now. This is what he was looking for. Yes, he's coming in now.
Sahil's getting into his... Oh, he's got his range.
Oh,
another right
there by
shot.
Sahil.
Wow, that was a bomb.
Clint.
I think that rocked Clinton, Coach Allen.
There we
Oh,
go.
man.
Sahil capitalizing, jumping onto Clinton.
Sahil has the upper hand right now, but he needs to be careful. He should not get caught in a triangle or an armbar. I would say all the undercard fighters have really shown us a great performance here at MFN 7.
It's like you all are sitting like proud parents are looking at your children performing.
And they're coming back to a boxing, kickboxing, striking match.
We only have 30 seconds left in this round. बहुत ही close round है ये मेरे हिसाब से.
It could go either way, Manan. This round could go either way. But
Sahil's managing to land a few more punches in the end. It looks like Clinton's totally gassed out.
Sahil looks good. Sahil looks good. Depends how he comes out on the third round. If he's got the same gas tank like he showed in the first one.
The sheer volume of strikes Sahil is throwing
I've
is
counted
overwhelming.
7. I've counted 7 punches in the last 20 seconds. 8.
Wow.
9. 10. That was fantastic.
What
in the
a
last 30
round.
seconds.
What a fight, guys. What a fight, guys.
The next fight coming up is Anas Sheikh taking on Sahil Rana in the bantamweight division. Well, I like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. We've got Anas Sheikh in the blue corner representing Maharashtra, and he's taking on Sahil Rana, who's the fan favorite at the moment, and he's in the red corner.
और मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी इस समय अपनी कुर्सियों पे बैठा होगा.
And the action begins. The atmosphere here is lit.
You know what, I'm very impressed right now in the beginning of this fight is how composed he is to only be 18 years old.
बिल्कुल 18 साल की उम्र में बच्चे लॉलीपॉप चूसते हैं और ये यहाँ पे लड़ाई कर रहे हैं, वो भी हिंदुस्तान के इतने बड़े मंच पे. क्या बात है. और बहुत बढ़िया पंचेस और यहाँ टेक डाउन का अटेम्प्ट.
Anas trying his best, but Sahil is no pushover. Reverses, and now Sahil is trying to take him. Oh, he takes him down. What a fantastic takedown by Sahil.
Great takedown by Sahil. Look for Sahil to push him up against this cage here, put a little bit of pressure on him.
Well, it looks this is Sahil's territory. Sahil is throwing in some heavy shots.
बहुत ही कस के मुक्के लगा रहे हैं यहाँ पे साहिल. कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें लग रहा है कि उनको उनकी जगह मिल गई है, उनकी फ्लो मिल गई है और अब बस वो बरसना चाहते हैं साहिल के ऊपर.
Sahil doing a very good job here, targeting the chin of Anas here, guys. You can look how calculated his shots are, how targeted they are. These are heavy shots.
Look at the way Sahil barges in, throws in 1, 2, 3, and comes back to his own stance. Sahil changing stances here. Oh man, that was a big, big left hand.
And look at the way he's showing a warrior spirit here और बहुत बढ़िया
takedown
लिया यहाँ पे साहिल ने.
Oh, looked like an unintentional shot to the back of the head here.
Oh, 100% हमने साहिल राणा को बहुत बार देखा है MFN के केज में. बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छी बॉक्सिंग हमें देखने को मिल रही है साहिल की तरफ से. 4-5 पंचेस लगाते हुए आगे बढ़ते हैं साहिल.
Anas trying that question mark kick there.
Wow, man, that was a big right hand by Sahil. Oh, Anas throwing in those spinning elbows, sorry, spinning shots.
स्पिनिंग बैक फिस्ट मारने की कोशिश करी अनस ने वहां पे और जवाब में साहिल ने पंच मारा.
Nice flying knee
और अब
there.
एक फ्लाइंग नी. क्या बात है, बहुत ही गर्म हो गया है ये मुकाबला. They have been using all sorts of attacks and they've been showing us that they've got durable chins. साहिल जा रहे हैं टेक डाउन के लिए.
Guys, one thing we're going to need both fighters to start doing is blocking leg kicks. Checking those leg kicks.
बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा खतरनाक हो सकता है अनस के लिए यहाँ पे, लेकिन देखिए अनस बहुत जल्दी उठ खड़े हुए हैं लेकिन साहिल उन्हें छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं. He's taken him down again. Otherwise, if he just stays in this position, the entire round will probably go to Sahil. कर रहे हैं अनस डिफेंड करने का और यही किया उन्होंने. पलटे वो साहिल की तरफ, लेकिन अभी खतरा टला नहीं है. साहिल अभी भी उनके ऊपर है, स्ट्राइक्स लगा रहे हैं.
Ground game, especially from the top.
We've got around 55 seconds on the clock. I don't think Sahil will just want to pass time here. He's going to try and look for a finish. Position अच्छी है, ground and pound करेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि fight यहाँ खत्म हो जाए.
He's got Anas in his control and he's throwing in those strikes.
You know, one thing I'm very impressed with Sahil is his ability to target the chin. It's like he is able to just laser in on it and let it fire. Boom.
Body weight डालते हैं अनस के ऊपर. बहुत बढ़िया हैमर स्ट्राइक्स नॉन स्टॉप. रेफरी बहुत ध्यान से देख रहे हैं. 10 सेकंड बचे हैं राउंड खत्म होने में. खतरनाक हैमर स्ट्राइक्स.
What a display of striking here by Sahil Rana. What an excellent fight. Ladies and gentlemen, this fight actually was high octane energy.
29-28. Judge Akib scored the bout 30-27. And Judge Shubham scored the bout 30-27. For your winner, by unanimous decision, Sahil Rana!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Matrix Fight Night 13. Let's go to the next fight, which is again going to be a war between Georgi Stojanovic and Sahil Rana in the bantamweight division.
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. I'm going to keep it clean. Touch gloves. Let's do it.
13, bad news for you. You were not audible to the people. The crowd has just become alive. And you can see that the MMA fans are improving. Their knowledge has improved so much. People were cheering, guard passes.
वहाँ पे इन दोनों का बहुत ही इंटेंस फेस ऑफ हुआ. दोनों ने एक अल्फाज नहीं बोला, बस आंखों ही आंखों में बातें करते रहे और बोलते रहे कि केज में उतरेंगे तो दिखाएंगे किसमें कितना है दम. या तो होगा विजय हिंदुस्तान या फिर सर्बिया.
You know, I thought that I would be speaking a bit in Hindi, but now that I'm with... Oh! Very nice. No, that was a slip. It was a slip. Both fighters tried to... Passes got good butterflies by...
Scramble.
Very good scramble. Very nicely done. Very, very nicely done by Sahil Rana. But look at this. Amakata attacked by the Serbian. He tried to put his right leg over the shoulder, stepping in and saying, "You're going to get the action moving." Oh, very nicely done.
Beautiful shots there from Sahil Rana, which draw the crowd.
I think Sahil Rana hurt.
A sharp inner
complete and Anshul Judri is famous for using
Oh, very nice right hand. Beautiful right hand onto the top. Again the combinations.
और यहाँ पे जॉर्जी को थोड़ा सा अंदर
Just missed with that big overhand right. But this is now there's a mistake that Jordy's making. He's standing flat-footed in front. Nice left hook, stepping left hook. But blocked, beautifully blocked by Jordy. But don't let that glove fool you, boys. That shin will go through the glove. Spectacular to watch. Beautiful right hand, left hook combination. Oh! And you can see the striking advantage in the favor of Rana. Just missed with that knee, switches to a single.
Oh, what an excellent beautiful take on that.
He's got his feet, but he's got his hands clasped. Slam time, slam time, slam time.
and threw him down onto the mat.
Look at the crowd, we can barely hear each other. You can lose position, so what Rana is doing is actually very intelligent. Now he's got a hold of that head. Guillotine. Oh, big knee. And very smartly, Jordy puts his hands down. There can be so much animosity between men, and it is a brutal sport. But the amount of respect and sportsmanship I've seen in MMA, beautiful calf kicks, good checks by Jordy though. Oh, nice left hook. Very nice left hook there a second ago. Again, a beautiful combination of punches there by Sahil Rana. But you can see that it's not hurting Jordy as such, but get his back off the cage. There you go. He needs to start taking the center again and put the pressure back on Stojanovic. Stojanovic ducking down, and Sahil Rana led that beautifully. He knew the takedown was coming. Fight has been next to his corner. He's again falling down right because he can't be stuck in this position. He's got just a minute left in his round and needs to start going for broke.
Absolutely, and he's got his right hand controlling the neck of Stojanovic. बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से यहाँ पे पेस बना रहे हैं.
Oh, look at this guillotine! Did he tap? No, hang on a second. It's a guillotine attempt here. He's okay. As we come to a close of this awesome fight, a great technical
fighters का ये थी MFF 13 की.
But what a great contest, boys.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action here, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Abhishek scored the bout 29-28. Judge Manas and Daryl scored the bout 30-27, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Sahil Rana.
The bantamweight division, we have Sahil Rana taking on Tanzania's Chris Tibbs Thibenda. Stay tuned. And for the final introductions, let's go inside El Boche.
Sahil ran his camp at Midang MMA in Guwahati under the legendary welterweight Babaji Chaudhary.
Babaji Chaudhary, indeed. Let's go to the tail of the tape. Both fighters weighing approximately the same weight.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, back to your corners.
An incredible kickboxer in his own right.
Whoa!
Oh! Masvidal Styles comes in, but he catches him with a big right hook. Thibenda immediately trying to get this fight to the ground.
Well, you know, right at the time of introductions, Thibenda was sitting just like Masvidal, and he landed what Masvidal did.
No, it's incredible. He came and flying with a front knee. Didn't quite land it cleanly, but look at that, it's opened up, and that's what I talked about. This fight goes to the ground. Thibenda is a different animal. Slow head kick attempt by Thibenda. Sahil Rana has got his guard up. He's staying sharp. Man, look at Sahil Rana's legs. He looks like he's been playing rugby. Oh! Big left hook!
Dropped him.
Dropped him clean, but look at that! Look at that! Reversal, and Sahil Rana smartly recognizing that. And Thibenda has taken a couple of shots. Oh, head kick!
And that low kick.
He doesn't want to be standing in front of a kickboxer.
Oh!
Big
right! You can't be doing that with Sahil Rana. You can't tease him with those.
No, you can see him. He's really bulked up. He's looking in great shape. He's carrying a lot of muscle on him, and his cardio seems to be on point. He's moving as fresh as he was in round number 1. But now, hang on, dumps him to the mat immediately. He's he's got so much of it. He's got such a big advantage in that position. Now, those shots that Tibeta's taking there.
Oh!
Catches a nice counter on Sahil there. Chris now looking for a switch. Merson, look at that. He's pulling on that arm there. Sahil Rana's got him here.
Whoa! What goes up comes down. Sahil Rana with a massive takedown here.
Again, Rana takes him for a ride.
Well, that's one big ride to Sahil Rana Airways. Once again.
Now he's proving my point here, because if you're so dominant in a fight over and over again, there you go, Mount.
We'll also really appreciate the fact that Chris Tibbs is a really, really tough guy.
Incredibly tough. I mean, the kind of beating he's taken so far is just legendary. Oh, there you go, pushes him off. There might be a little bit of fight left in him now.
Well, he's still persistent, and
there you go. Now he lands some beautiful elbows there. Step forward and end it. But perhaps it's the tenacity of his opponent. It could come down to both things. Well, what do we know? We're just commentators.
Whoa!
After this fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action here at the Noida Indoor Stadium, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Ben scored the bout 30-26. Judge Franco scored the bout 30-27. And Judge Rupendra scores the bout 30-24 for your winner by unanimous decision, Sahil